What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. My name is Marlon. Today I'm doing a video on the Moza Mini Mi. It's not a review on this. It's actually a video on my setup for the Moza Mini Mi with a microphone. It's my mobile rig. So let's jump right into it. Okay guys, so before we get into the video, I want to welcome you to my channel. And if you're new here, please take a look around and check out my content. See if you like it. Make sure you click on that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way you get notified every time I upload. I greatly appreciate it. So I want to try to keep this video as short as possible, guys. Like I said earlier, I want to just show you guys the rig, the way I set it up with the Moza Mini Mi and the microphone. So let's take a look at all the parts involved and we'll put it together and show you guys how I do it. All right, guys. So obviously we're going to need your phone. In my case, I have the iPhone XS Max and I have the SPIVO travel case with the SPIVO travel lens on it. And this is the case for that. I did a review on that. So if you guys want to check that out, I'll link it up in the card here. Your gimbal, I have the Moza Mini Mi. I opted to use this extension bracket. It's like an L bracket that has the two cold screw mounts there. Your microphone, I am using the Rode Video Micro, and if you are using the Rode Video Micro, you're gonna need the cable for that to hook it up to the iPhone for it to work. The adapter, the lightning adapter for that, and a tripod. The reason why I'm using this L bracket is because I can attach the tripod underneath it, and that way I can stand it. Alternatively, you can use an arm like this, as you can see here, but if you put this underneath the gimbal, you won't be able to stand the gimbal up, so that's why I prefer not to use that one. Last but not least, I recently picked up these counterweight. Very nice little counterweight for your gimbal, because when I use it with the wide angle lens in the case, it's just too heavy and it wouldn't balance out. So I ended up getting that counterweight to do that. So basically what I do is I just attach my the bracket on the bottom here like that. Screw that on like that. Kind of bring it in there like that, as you guys can see there. See there? And then I attach the tripod on the bottom, so that way I can stand it. It is a little bit heavy to the right side. This is the way I set it up. So just make sure that you know, you're careful when you're using that. And then the counterweight is this right here, the Lavalier PT4 Gimbal Counterweight, $12.95 on Amazon, and it brings 4 weights that you can unscrew like this individually. I end up using 3, so I'm just gonna put these 3 on the gimbal here. And what you do is just attach the bracket onto the arm of the gimbal, and very easy right here. Let's put it to the side right here. The bracket is on there, and what I'll do is just add the counterweights on the side, and it's all set. So we're gonna have to attach the adapter there into the phone. When you're putting it on the on the gimbal, just be careful, because you're gonna have to bend the cable a little bit, but just be very careful so you don't damage it, don't short it out, and the cable ends up not working. So right there like that, just pull it out and gently push it back in to adjust it like that. The microphone, we're just gonna attach it to the cold shoe mount here. I put the microphone to the microphone jack to the right, because that way it's on the same side as the microphone and it doesn't pull the cable doesn't pull the gimbal at all. So that's it, you just turn it on, and so we have it nicely set up there like this, as you can see there. And what I like about using this actual extension mount or extension bracket, it has this grip and it gives you more stability when you're shooting. So when you're grabbing the shot, like, or when you're filming, you know, you have kind of like a dual handle here, or you do have a dual handle. And so it just makes it a whole lot steadier and your shots are more stable. With the Moza Mini Mi, when I'm just using it by itself, it can be a little shaky with the stabilization on and everything. So just wanted to share my setup with you guys. Alternatively, guys, like I said, you can put the this type of bracket underneath, but you won't be able to attach your tripod on the bottom, so you won't be able to sit it like this. Even though, as you can see, it kind of tilts over, you gotta be very careful. This is great for you mobile filmmakers out there, or if you're going to like a trade show, this is a nice little setup. You have your microphone, which improves obviously the quality of your audio, and you have nice steady shots with this. I like to film with the Filmic Pro app. I've been experimenting with the iPhone XS Max lately, and I might be using it a lot more in future vlogs and stuff like that when I don't feel like bringing other cameras, or if I'm going to like some sort of event that they don't allow cameras. Usually I can manage to get my gimbal in with my iPhone and I won't have any issues. Also guys, if you want to add a light to your gimbal on the Moza Mini Mi, for example, you could add this like a small bracket to it because it has a 1/4-inch mount in the front there for you to add additional accessories. I'm using the Sokani, this is the Sokani light. It's the X21. I did a review on this one if you want to check it out as well. Do that one. But you know, a small light like that, just add this to the front right here. And by no means is this the only way. This is just the way I prefer setting my gimbal up. But yeah, you can put your light up front here, and then you could adjust this so it's not in the way like that. And it doesn't even come in the view of the lens. So you have your light, your microphone, and off you go to do some shooting. So let me know what you guys think of this setup. Like I said, I'm gonna start experimenting a little more with the iPhone XS Max and try to do some mobile filmmaking. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm gonna link everything down below so you guys can check out my setup here. They are affiliate links, so just know that it won't cost you any additional money, but they will give me a little kickback. So I'd appreciate it if you consider using those. And again, guys, make sure you click on that like button and make sure you subscribe as well. See you guys in the next one. Take care. Peace out.